How to unbox and set up your Airdog X3. 1. Open the packaging box. 2. Take out the instruction manual, the air purifier, and the collecting plate. 3. Remove the foam plastic covers from both ends of the purifier and take off the canvas cover from the top. 4. Open the back cover of the purifier and insert the collecting plate according to the directional instructions printed on it. 5. Close the back cover. 6. Plug in the power and turn the machine on. 7. Press the round button at the top of the machine briefly to switch modes. L1 to L4 modes. Sleep mode and auto mode. Long press to turn off.